Hello, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International, and today we're looking at a 2014 Ford F-250 Super Duty Lariat 4x4 6.7 liter diesel crew cab long bed with the camper cover. Only 163,000 miles. And as you can see, this thing is loaded up with all the goodies. It's a beautiful, beautiful dark green primary color with a nice beige sand looking metallic trim. Absolutely gorgeous combination. Got all the extra lights and towing packages. This thing has nice wheels and a nice suspension, Fox shocks. You got this upgraded recoil cross members, BDS stabilizers in the front, not to mention the AMP Research pop-out steps. The electronic steps are also equipped on this truck. Has an aftermarket front bumper, rear bumper, hood, and grille. An absolute gorgeous truck right here. Inside is tan leather interior, equipped with a sunroof, navigation 4x4 on the dash, air conditioning, got the upfitter switches with the built-in brake controller, auxiliary input, 12-volt power supply. Got home link. Get the VIN right here. Got the steps that pop out. Back seats, gorge, looking good. Got the bed here. I really like a camper shell. You can protect all your items, or you can remove it if you don't like it. Either way, it's a great value. If you don't want it on the truck, we can take it off, get rid of it for you, or you can take the truck with it, sell it when you get it. Whatever you want to do is okay with us. Let me know how I can help. Get inside this back seat here on this side. Steps drop down. Really just great condition. Looks nice. Front passenger side. We'll go ahead and start this truck up. This truck sounds beautiful. Go ahead and pop the hood. Give me a second here, figure this one out with one hand. that is a healthy engine. Now let's go underneath. Again, my name is Brett. We have this truck available locally and online for sale. So if you're an interested buyer, please pick up the phone and call me directly right now. 954-258-2700. It's usually the best way to get a hold of me, or leave me a message or shoot me a text. I get a lot of calls due to the nature of the online business. I don't want to miss yours. We do end our sales early for interested buyers, so don't wait. Shipping is available anywhere in the United States. And we've got great rates because we've been shipping cars for 10 years. Give me a call, give me a chance to put this truck in your driveway. Super cool. Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to speaking with you soon.